This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure you are on the correct branch and that changes are saved. This prevents accidental data loss. Once done, back up uncommitted work with git commit or git stash because renaming touches history. Then open the repository, use your terminal for precise control or the GitHub web UI for quick edits. Make sure you can see the exact file path. This helps you avoid renaming the wrong file. You can rename with git mv, which updates the index and records the change. After that, commit with a clear message so reviewers know why. Alternatively, in the GitHub web UI edit mode, change the file name at the top, propose the change, and create a pull request when collaborating. Make sure to update imports and references immediately because file name changes can break builds. On case-sensitive systems, paying attention to letter case matters a lot. After committing, push the branch to remote and open or merge the pull request. This completes the rename across the team. Once merged, run your test suite and CI pipeline to catch broken imports or path issues because automated checks reveal missed references. If something goes wrong, revert the commit or restore from your stash. Alternatively, inspect git log and use git checkout or git restore to recover the previous state. One key tip: search the.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.